Welcome traders. In this video I'm going to step you through Trading Vault's calendar view and show you how it works. Now the calendar view is quite an interesting one. It's just a different way to visualize your trades. So you get a different perspective on them. They're not really into the numbers as much that you get from some of the other stats. Again, it's just a different way to see your trades and try and take a different perspective from it. So to jump into it, I've gone into my trades and just jumping into our calendar button over here. So first thing you'll notice, it is very much just like you would expect from a calendar. Okay, you got monthly, weekly, and daily views. We'll dive into those in a second. You're going to see your trades outlined across them. So you'll see the color is based on the color of your account. You can see the instrument you've traded, your reward risk on it, and your net profit. Obviously, if you chuck that into privacy mode, your profits will be hidden, as you would expect. And so what I'm going to do is just to go backwards to April, where I've got a few more trades for this demonstration, and I'm also going to turn off my filters. Just like all your other views, your filters will flow through the screen as well. So we can see here now we've got a few different accounts, which is all the different colors there. So there you got your standard monthly view. Okay, if you need to rearrange it, okay, just drop down up here. You can change what day of the week starts on. And yeah, so that's your monthly view. If we then click into our day, you can either click the day up the top there, or you can just click on an individual day. So I'm going to click over here. It's going to jump you straight into that particular day, and you can see based on the times as well when you're entering trades. So again, just a different way to visualize it. So if you take a lot of trades, you'll see they'll all be on here, and you can see how often you're taking trades, stepping through there. You can then jump out to your weekly view, and then again you'll see them all represented through here, and clicking those arrows will cycle you through it. So there we have it, guys. Just a nice quick simple video today. Again, calendar view is just there for your benefit, depending on what sort of trader you are, depending on what sort of person you are and how you learn and what sort of data you like to see. Again, it is just a different perspective of looking at your trades. So there we have it. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below.